This is our Pokemon trading card game. Swords and Shields, Darkness Ablaze, with Abominable Snowman with a tumor.
I was watching a bunch of YouTube videos and it felt really nostalgic, so I went out and bought way too much than I was supposed to. But that's discussion for another time.
It was lockdown.
Okay.
Emotional retail therapy. Oh.
So, that one was what I expected. I hope that some of them are what I expect. Because that one was cheap.
What do you expect?
Like 11 card packs, like OG, those packs you can just buy. Yeah. I don't think. Oh, these are none of them.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Are we going to talk about how you just bought a whole bunch of stuff you only want? Or is that for another video? This is the prettiest Pokemon ever. Purple and pink. Alaskazam. Close to us.
We are close down. Alaska.
I think it's called Alakazam, but I thought
it is
Alaskazam.
Alright, now it is rated 6+, so we are allowed to open these. Here's what I wanted. We got the Alakazam card that it comes with. Anyone who buys this gets this card, so it's not too special, but it looks pretty cool. Alright, also, for people who can't see, and I can't even fit it on my camera focus, it has the humongous card.
Head for reference.
There you go. Alright, we got Vivid Sword and Shield. What do you think that guy looks like?
Werewolf, obviously.
Oh, werewolf. Sunny Moon. Okay, cool.
Hey, there's a chubby Pokemon!
They're called Chungus.
Oh, how about just COVID Pokemon?
And then...
A flying wolf?
some more Sword and Shield. So, which one do you want to open up first?
Chubby Pokemon.
Of course. Good job. Okay, so now this is what I remember as a kid. Wow, I opened that pack terribly. Alright, now there's a card trick that you gotta do. So first... Oh, I always put it upside down. Oh, wait.
Like the first four at the top.
First four at the top? Wow! Look who have been watching some Pokemon videos. Alright, look, you were perfect. It was four. Alright, what energy is this?
Bear Paw!
It's fighting, I think. Alright, okay, so we got our first trainer. We got Swellow. He's pretty mellow.
Is he? What about Swallow? It's Zebra Guy!
Hey, you like this Pokemon?
I don't know.
Remember
I like Giraffe Guy.
But it's like the same, yeah. Oh yeah, you do like Giraffe.
Okay.
Right? This is one of my favorite Pokemon. I really like Eevee.
Why don't you just marry her then?
Oh my god.
Ghost Pokemon.
Shut up.
Shut up your own self. Here is Big Mouth Pokemon.
I can't even pronounce this one. Chulteal?
Riolu.
I don't know these ones. Oh, another Eevee. Shout out to Eevee being twice in my
How do you
pack.
get top? That's a ripoff.
And then Cyreal and
Dragonflyness.
Sure. Alright, what's the other one you want to open?
Wolverine.
Wolverine. Okay. I bought way more packs and I bought some boxes, some trainer boxes that are coming. And I just miss opening Pokemon cards. So I bought them. Alright.
Firecrotch.
Too close. Fire.
Oh, almost.
Some League Staff.
Kronk.
Kronk. I can't pronounce that. Aromatic. Look at that. That's a pretty big word.
That's from all our cooking. Up next, a cooking show.
Aromatic. Why is it an aromatic?
Because that's what spices do.
Voltorb. I like him. Aww. That's cute. Whoa, that picture is like realistic.
That is. Something went...
Oh, that's pretty cool. Oh, cool! We got kind of like a cool card.
Marshmallow!
Cute. That one's pretty cool. I'm getting better at opening up the packs. Oh man, I missed doing this as a kid. I had to do this secretly because I wasn't allowed them.
So my daddy had to wait in line with all the other dads to get them for my little brother.
Code. 4. Okay, try to guess what the energy is going to be.
Green. Purple.
Oh, your favorite color too. Pokemon Catcher. Wow.
That looks like
I'll
some
catch
Popo
you.
stuff.
Hey, it's Golbat. He's in some of the original.
Huh. That looks like an
Oh,
angry.
dragon. Yeah.
Ogopogo!
Machu Heat. I can't say it.
Makito.
Maybe. Oh, Caterpie. They're in the original too. Ah. I always catch this guy in
Yongos.
Pokemon Go. It's real annoying. Oh, Shelter's in the original.
Oh, that looks like a clam.
Whoa, look how full this guy's cheeks are.
That is America's ass.
And you see how it's like hollow, reverse hollow?
Oh, yes.
Because like that's not hollow, but the outside is, so it's called reverse hollow.
Oh. That guy looks intense.
About to karate chop your face. Alright, last pack. Is Sword and Shield. Right there. 4. Oh, I think I did it weird. Okay. Do you know why we do that for? Oh, but I didn't let you get.
You blew it.
What do you think this is though?
Ice ball.
Steel.
Steel.
Steel. I'm gonna steal your heart. That's pretty wacky.
Thwacky.
Oh, lucky egg. That's what I use in my Pokemon Go.
So pretty.
It makes you
that's
go
a
more.
fat sheep.
Wow,
Sorry.
it has feelings. Oh, I like Goldeen. They're from the original too.
Oh, it's a unicorn.
Yeah, it's a unicorn. Has a.
It's a unicorn goldfish.
Yep.
Dang.
Everyone's favorite.
Yomper. Clobbopus.
You'd probably eat it. I meant because it's like an
Oh,
octopus.
oh, oh! Look, they're the same, but sparkles.
Wait, this one is reverse hollow.
Dang.
Good catch. Oh, we got a good one. I think. I don't know, but it's we
It has
you know
more
that's why we
points.
do the card trick.
Yeah. So the good one is on the bottom.
Yeah. So you're like, ooh, if we got like a really good card. Unfortunately, we didn't. Hopefully, in the packs coming, we do. But these ones are pretty good start. This is just my first packs I've opened in my first 4 packs in no hollow, like 15 years.
Wow.
But I'm sad about the other ones. I spent too much money to be that disappointed. But now I have a pretty good deck.
You didn't even look at them.
I'll look at them later.
Okay. Good job.
Sweet.
Our first video.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Sorry that
We're not sorry.
Okay. We're not sorry.
We're not sorry.
Alright, should I play like outro music or something?
Yeah.
What should we sound? Alright, we're not gonna play that, but we're gonna play some.
Okay.